All right, it's time for lighting of the candles. You can put a few or many, totally up to you. This is a great showpiece for your table. If you really want to impress your guests this Christmas, this is how you will do it. Okay, and then I'm going to put these two in here. Okay. All that's left to do now is to try it. So I'm going to cut a slice. First, I'd like to show you what that cross-section looks like. So I'm just going to move that away. So you can see the colors inside. We have the chocolate, the cream, and the jam. So good. Definitely everyone is going to love you this Christmas.